A completely new feature in Stage 2 are the queues. These queues store selective parameters for selected lamps. This means we can freely define what values we want to have stored in the queues or choose from the presets. In our small example, we first stored the circle of lamps with all parameters as queue blue. Then we change the position, change the color to pink, and also save another queue. Then by simply clicking on the queues, we can call the two states at any time. If only a few parameters are changed, very complex differing stages can be stored and called up quickly. The queues also work when no lamps are selected. To do this, right-click the queues. In this context menu, there are even more commands, such as select queues fixtures to activate the lamps that are affected by a queue on this path. The update queue command is used to update later changes. What else is possible with queues? Queues can be placed on the stage timeline. To do this, we open the stage timeline module and add the desired elements. We start at frame 0. Select the queue blue and give the function a name. Then we create a second element, a frame 60 with a fade time of 30. Assign a name again and select the move and pink. If we let this scene run now, we'll see that from frame 30 a fade begins to pink and the movement starts. Fades work for all parameters that can be phaseable, for example color and position. Gobo changes are set to the queue frame. The queue list can be switched on and off in the timeline. This makes it possible to continue without the influence of the queues. By clicking on the timeline, the queues are active again. We can also display the active parameters in the timeline editor. Here we see the queue list. The first queue blue and the second move and pink. With its fade can be right here. This overview is very helpful and practical for complex procedures.